Fine, no bagatelle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing my wig. This is my first time. This is my first time doing the bald cap method, and I think I did my best, but I definitely want to do it again because it was a lot easier than I thought it would be, and I'm just going to show y'all what I did. This is a shout out to Manny Jean on YouTube. She is a pro, and I've been binge watching all of her videos, so I thought I could do it. And obviously, I'm looking a little crazy right now, but so first I put the ball cap on. I saw that. I used the Got to Be Glued spray, sprayed it on, then let that dry, then went through with my scissors and cut. As you can see, I cut air holes and I cut up to the where the glue stopped. Almost cut myself, but yeah. And then um I actually cut the other side. You can see in a second, like the glue didn't dry on that side, so I had to go back in. This is the other Got to Be Glued, the Ultra Hold. And yeah, I had to go back in with that and put it on the sections I missed because I wanted it to be flat. So yeah, that's what I did first. And you see my hair sticking out, just ignore it. Okay, ignore it. This was my first time doing this method, so ignore it. Once I fixed that, you're gonna see me actually go in with the, what is it called? The e.l.f. Contour palette. As you can see, going in with my color and just using that all over the bald cap at the front. Once that's done, I'm with the Got to Be Glued spray again, and I'm putting that all over where I put the bald cap, making sure it's dry. I'm very impatient, so this was sped up, but I tried to be patient. So I put the wig on next, make sure it's laid as flat as it could be, and I'm gonna go in with my band that, make sure it's laid as possible as I could be. And yeah, once it's all laid, I'm gonna try to do my part. Now, my part could have been better, but it could have also been worse. So I'm gonna give myself some credits because I did my best. And yeah, I'm gonna part it out. I couldn't find my wax stick, so I used mousse. I feel like the wax stick would have held my hair down for longer, but the mousse worked just fine as well. I'm gonna also go in with my hot comb in a second just to make sure everything's laid down, and I'm gonna let y'all watch that as I finish my wig. Ooh, and I just took the little bands off. I'm gonna go back in, make sure that everything's clean. You can't see the lace for real. Make sure everything's good. And I'm gonna go back in again and put the band on a second time because I wasn't liking how the lace was looking. But once I go in a second time, it's really flat. But right here, I'm gonna do my edges, and I just took out a bit in the front. As you can see, my edges were already cut because I already tried to do this wig and I wasn't feeling it, so I put it away. But this time around, I stuck with it and I kept going. And you're gonna see me cut my little edges, my little baby hairs, and it will come together in just a moment. I used mousse and Got to Be Glued, that gel, a second time to really slick down the baby hairs, and they were looking real good. I really like them. I'm gonna definitely do them this way all the time. If anyone has any recommendations, please drop them down in the comments below as well, because I want to continue to improve and, just experiment with different wigs and different hairstyles and stuff like that. And then on the other side, I'm going to go in and do the same thing as well. So I'll let y'all watch that and come back when the wig is all finished.
I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat.
Okay, y'all, so this is what the wig is looking like. I think it looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna definitely keep trying, keep improving. And yeah, I want to do different colors, different styles. So if anyone has any tips and tricks, please drop them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.
Ooh.